In this video, we'll show how to use the make-addend strategy to subtract 8 from numbers 11 through 17 using DigiStix and the unknown addend definition of subtraction. These are the numbers 11 through 17. Each number is made up of 10 and a number over 10. We write the subtraction equations like this. We'll subtract the number 8 from each of these numbers greater than 10. We'll show each 8 with DigiStix like this. Next, we rewrite subtraction as addition with an unknown addend like this. So, we need to find the number shown by the arrows. Each unknown addend has two parts. The first part is the 10 pal for 8, which is 2. The second part is the number over 10. To solve each problem, we start by making a 10. The 10 pal for 8 is 2, which is shown by the arrows. So we start by decomposing each 10 into its 10 pals, 8 and 2. Then we add 2 to each 8 to make a 10. We show that with DigiStix like this. Next, to find the second part of the unknown addend, we add the number over 10 shown by the arrows. We show the number over 10 with DigiStix like this. To find each unknown addend circled here, we add these two numbers. The first one is the number we add to 8 to make a 10, called the 10 pal, which is circled in red. The second one is the number over 10, which is also circled in red. To find the unknown addend, we add these two numbers. We get 2 plus 1 equals 3, 2 plus 2 equals 4, 2 plus 3 equals 5, 2 plus 4 equals 6, 2 plus 5 equals 7, 2 plus 6 equals 8, and 2 plus 7 equals 9. The total of these two numbers gives us the unknown addend in each problem, and the unknown addend is the answer to this subtraction problem. Here's a quick summary. To subtract 8 from each of these numbers, we start with 8. Then we add 2 to make a 10. Next, we add the number over 10 in the number we're subtracting from. The total we add to 8 is the answer to the subtraction problem. It's the total of the 10 pal, which is 2, and the number over 10. So, here, 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 plus 7 is 9. In each case, the total we add to 8 is the answer to the subtraction problem. It's the total of the 10 pal, which is 2, and the number over 10. The total is the answer to the subtraction problem. So, now, we've turned subtraction into an addition problem, which is easier to do. Here's a quick reminder. To subtract 8 from a number over 10, we add the 10 pal plus the number over 10 to find the difference. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Click on the bell to get notified of our latest videos. We value your time, so thank you for watching.